いらっしゃいませ。みんなおはようございます。Welcome guys to Udon Classroom, where our chefs have prepared you an epic course of Japanese grammar for today. Now we're going to be learning all about Darou. So, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いてる？ I'm not going to let you leave here guys without mastering this grammar, Darou. So, pull up a chair and we will prepare your meal. And the price, of course, just one like. Let's go guys. 始めましょう。
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。
Yo guys, I hope you're sitting comfortably. This is going to be a good one. So today, we are going to be learning all about Darou, which means I think, it seems, probably, right? I know that seems like a lot guys, but we'll get it as we go along. Now, how do we use this? Let's learn how to use it first. So, with a verb, in dictionary form, we simply add Darou. It's very simple. With a noun, an adjective, and an e-adjective, it's all exactly the same. We just add Darou to the end. So, now, we said about many different meanings of this word, and although there are many different meanings, which may seem confusing, it is usually easy to understand from context. So let's look at some basic examples. And just a note guys, sometimes this grammar is also shortened down a little bit to Darou without the U noise at the end. But the meaning is of course still the same. So let's have a look at example A. Now, Uso daro. You're kidding. That's a lie, right? That's what the kind of meaning is here. Uso meaning lie and daro, which is like right. So, you can see that here. Now this method can express either confidence that it's likely a lie or express that you're asking for confirmation. Though it depends on the tone of the speaker and the situation as well. Let's have a look at another example. Now this time we're using a verb. Ame ga furu daro? Ame ga furu daro? It seems like it's going to rain. So in this case, it is seems like. Now the meaning changes depending on the speaker's tone and the situation. When spoken in a questioning type of tone, Ame ga furu daro? It is asking for confirmation from whoever the speaker is talking to. Otherwise, it expresses what the speaker is thinking. In this case, that it's likely to rain. Ame ga furu daro? So, now let's have a look at when it's used with questions. それは何だろう? I wonder what that is. So guys, as you can see, there's some cases of how it can be used. Let's have a look at some more example sentences now, so make sure to listen carefully guys. Okay, here we go. First example. 彼はもうすぐ来るだろう. 彼はもうすぐ来るだろう? He should be coming any moment now. That's the first example sentence. Let's have a look at the second. そうだろうと思ったよ。そうだろうと思ったよ。I thought, I figured as much. I thought as much, I figured as much. Okay, and the last example for today. 明日は多分雨が降るだろう。空に雲がたくさんあるから。It will likely rain tomorrow. There's lots of clouds in the sky now. So much like the example we talked about earlier, we can see that it uses daro and furu daro to mean it will likely rain tomorrow. Now we're going to have a bonus example actually guys, and the last one is 間違いないだろ? Surely there's no mistake. So 間違いない means to not be mistaken or no mistake, and then daro, surely. Daro is surely. So surely there's no mistake. So guys, thank you for watching, and remember to watch this video a few times over to make sure you get it. And your homework, of course, we want you to write 3 example sentences in the comments. Remember, real progress comes with extreme action. みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね. We'll see you guys in the next video, so make sure to subscribe and check out more of Udon Classroom videos for more Japanese awesomeness. Now guys, bye for now. またね.
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。